Hello, today we're going to talk about a plant that if you're from the Caribbean, like Jamaica, you know very well. If you're from Mexico, you know very well. So what are we going to speak about this? Do you know what this is? Look carefully. Look carefully and tell me what you think this is. This is dried. My husband plants this once a year and then he reaps this close to Christmas. So this is the leftover. What do you think this is? Did somebody say Flor de Jamaica? Yes, I heard you, Mexico. You're correct. Did somebody say hibiscus or sorrel? Are you from Jamaica? You are correct. So we usually use this red calyx, this red section. We remove this and we put this together, we dry it, and then we make tea. How do you make a tea? You could use 1 cup of the dried hibiscus flowers to 6 cups of water. Bring this to a boil, then turn the heat off, cover, and let that steam. You drain that and consume the tea, and that is delicious. So what are the health benefits? 1, this is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation. You know that many chronic illnesses are caused from inflammation. So if we can lower the inflammation in our body, we are protecting ourselves from chronic illnesses. This hibiscus tea also lowers cholesterol level and lowers triglycerides, and therefore it's good for heart health. So it not only lowers blood pressure, but it lowers cholesterol and triglycerides. Traditionally also, the tea has been used for GI symptoms. So adding hibiscus tea into your lifestyle can significantly impact your health. Now, I'm Dr. Cooper Dockery, I'm board certified in internal medicine. If you like this content, then subscribe and share and come back for more. I'll see you soon. Actually, before I go, here is the tea that was made by my husband. I'm going to try some. It's absolutely delicious. You need to try some today. See you soon. Bye-bye.